on Sports with Seiji. Roll VO. We have NHL and NBA championships. What COVID has done to our own Idaho State sports.
I think the strongest thing about the CMP department right now is that it's really looking forward into the modern age of communication. And we are focusing not just on principles of storytelling and principles of communication that go back thousands of years, which are fundamental, but the modern technology and the modern methods that we use to express ourselves and to share information is also a big part of what we're looking at. I think the faculty is first rate. I think you've got a lot of high-level scholars here with great credentials, good personalities, and this great mix of a great classical understanding of human communication, business communication, and this looking forward to where is the world going and how are we communicating technologically as we proceed, and we're focusing on making sure we're applying timeless principles to modern techniques.
The National Student Advertising Competition is an opportunity for students to take everything they've learned from all their other CMP classes and combine it into a real-world application by making a campaign for a real-life play.
One thing I've learned from taking NSAC is how building marketing campaigns in the real world would work for an actual client.
I think the biggest thing about TV and video production is that video is incredibly powerful and prevalent as a communication tool. We are surrounded by it in the digital world, and anyone who has an aptitude for using the tools to do effective storytelling, I think, has a huge leg up in the communications world.
So far what we've covered in television production class is the importance of sequencing, which I think is a really good basic knowledge that we need to make our videos going forward, so it's a great start.
Pocket heel a foot from a blank wall. There's no depth, there's no weight.